March wind whispers through the willow tree. A brand new season for our big family. Shao Bao leads the way with a mother's grace, with the 3 brave sons in a gentle chase. Bibi is the eldest, steady and wise. Sissy has the mischief in his bright green eye. Diddy follows close, never far behind. In this house of ours, only love you'll find. Oh, beautiful March, the world is in bloom. There's no room for shadows, no room for gloom. From the morning sun to the silver stars, we're so lucky that these 6 O's are ours. Wishing for health, wishing for peace. May the joy in our hearts only increase. Happy and healthy every single day. In this home of love, we'll always stay. Across the room, a different story told. Bred the father with a heart of gold. He watches over Fifi, the youngest light, his little daughter shining so bright. He's her protector, her teacher, her friend. A bond so sweet it will never end. While the boys are playing, they sit so still, watching the birds from the windowsill. 6 pairs of paws, 6 different hearts, each one playing their beautiful parts. 10 little humans and felines as one. Our long journey together has just begun. The rhythm of purring, a song of its own. The greatest happiness we've ever known. Oh, beautiful March, the world is in bloom. There's no room for shadows, no room for gloom. From the morning sun to the silver stars, we're so lucky that these 6 souls are ours. Wishing for health, wishing for peace. May the joy in our hearts only increase. Happy and healthy every single day. In this home of love, we'll always stay. Healthy and happy, Frank and the crew, Shao Bao and Bread, we're so proud of you. Bibi, Sissy, Diddy and Fifi, so small. God bless this family, bless us all.